Hello everyone, and welcome to Drawing for Kids channel. Today we're going to draw and color Pocoyó eating ice cream. Let's start drawing. First I draw his eyes that are closed, then his nose, and his smiling mouth with his tongue out. I draw his face, and the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. I draw his arms like this. In his hands, he holds a cone. That has 2 scoops of delicious ice cream. I bet he likes ice cream a lot. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm going to color Pocoyo's skin with this cream marker. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this blue marker. I colored the tongue with this light red marker. For the zipper, I use this yellow marker. I use brown for the cone. For the first scoop, I use pink. It is a strawberry flavor. I colored the second scoop with yellow. That should be a delicious vanilla. Yummy! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.